to one and all who are seeing this video on topic If I Could Design a School. I am Tushar Arora from class 9th of Shivalik Public School. So let's go. School is a place where the students get to learn about the basic education and etiquettes. If I were given an opportunity to design a school, I would make the best out of this, keeping the overall development of the pupils in the mind. The design will be having school as a 5-story building, so as to have enough space for various departments and levels of classes. Not only will the structure be very airy and spacious enough for the free movement of students, but also be painted in a light monochromatic tone to light up the moods of the pupil and keep them fresh. Alongside, the outdoor play area would be wide enough to accommodate tennis, volleyball and basketball court. A cricket pitch and a large ground for extra sports will be located at the back of the school building. Not only this, but indoor provision of swimming pool and gymnasium hall would be there. Paying attention to play does not mean that study will be lagged behind. Labs for all subjects would be located throughout the school building. Extra facilities like central air condition will make the students and staff feel ease. The canteen would be at all the levels of the school building, along with the water tanks and washrooms at the end of every corridor. This is the dream school that I wish to design if I was given a chance. Thank you. Have a nice day.